In this video we are trying to review top 6 best budget keyboard piano in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Faviri 88 Key. This foldable digital piano keyboard can achieve the same performance as the grand piano and saves space with folded size 24.8 by 8 by 4.7 inches. It weighs only 8.8 pounds, equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery and a carrying case. You can easily take it as you go, which is suitable for parties and outdoors. With standard 88 full-size and semi-weighted keys, the electronic piano has more sensible responses than full-weighted keys. The piano keyboard is exquisitely according to 1:1 piano key ratio. You can maintain correct hand shape and experience the heavy hammer feeling of a piano. It's suitable for beginners. Built-in double hi-fi stereo speakers, the digital keyboard presents 100% piano original sound. Its sound line is full, delicate, and three-dimensional, and it can produce shocking performance on the spot. By connecting with headphone, you can play the piano at night and experience the best sound quality. Number 2. Rock Jam 61 Key. The Rock Jam 5061 Keyboard Piano Super Kit includes a digital keyboard with 61 full-size keys, giving you the traditional piano feel whilst maintaining a portable and compact design that can be powered by either mains, power supply included, or batteries. This Rock Jam 5061 piano keyboard features a LED panel that both displays and engages the 200 rhythms, 200 tones, a teaching function, and 30 demo songs that are part of its functionality. The Rock Jam 5061 electric piano has record and playback functionality, allowing you to build layers to your sound and an AUX input so you can play along to your favorite songs. This music keyboard super kit package includes a keyboard stand that is sturdy in design and can be adjusted to suit keyboard piano players both young and old. Number 3. Alesis Melody 61 Key. Portable electric keyboard piano with 61 premium piano-style keys and built-in speakers for practicing and performing to your friends and family. 300 voices, including acoustic piano, electric piano, strings, organ, synth, drums and much more, intuitive layer and split modes to develop your keyboard skills. Powerful educational features: SCUV 3-month premium subscription for interactive online piano lessons, 2 months of live video lessons from Take Lessons. Everything you need includes an easy-to-assemble stand, a bench with 3 adjustable height settings, headphones, a music rest, a power adapter and a microphone for singing along while you play. Number 4. Best Choice Products 61 Key. Complete with 61 keys, 255 timbres, 255 rhythms, 50 demo songs, 32 types of keyboard percussion, and a starting tempo of 120 BPM. With an H-style keyboard stand, music stand, padded stool, and more, it makes for the perfect birthday or holiday present for any aspiring musician. One Key, Follow, and Ensemble Modes provide lessons for novice players. LCD display, light-up keys, recorder with playback, and piano note stickers help them learn to read music. Perform a recital with built-in speakers, headphones, a rhythm programmer, and music player function that help to find the perfect sound and recreate classic music pieces. Plug in and play along to songs stored on a USB, and let your creative side out as you add your own melodies or rhythm to background music. Number 5. Zenny 61 Key. Built-in speakers provides quality sound, 300 timbres, 350 rhythms, 61 keyboard piano with LED screen, and it is equipped with a detachable stand to hold sheet music. This electronic keyboard is very suitable for beginners and players of all levels, suitable for children and adults. The LED display shows the correct keys and chords to press when playing the demo songs. In addition, it indicates at what pace you should play, so that beginners or kids can learn and play the piano more easily and quickly. Stereo outputs and a headphone jack can be used to listen through external speakers or with the included headphones. Zenny 61 Key keyboard is lightweight and easy to carry, great for beginners to learn music lessons. With a keyboard stand, music stand, padded stool, microphone and more, and with the sturdy cardboard package, very convenient for storage and consolidation, great birthday/Christmas gift/festival gift for children, best educational toys for girls and boys. And it is also an ideal gift for beginners and all music lovers. Number 6. Hamser 61 Key. Built-in speakers offer tremendous sound, complete with 255 timbres, 255 rhythms, 61 keyboard percussions, and 24 demonstration songs. Stereo outputs and a headphone jack can be used to listen through external speakers or with the included headphones. Designed for beginner to intermediate level use, this multi-function keyboard piano features 61 keys, providing a traditional piano or organ feel for versatile learning and an exciting acoustic experience. Keyboard comes with a complete set of transparent stickers to label the piano keys in order to simplify and accelerate piano mastery. Ideally suited to master finger control, this portable piano keyboard allows for play of single-fingered and fingered auto-bass chords, with the capacity to select chord timbre, program/edit rhythm, as well as utilize effects such as vibrato, sustain, and ensemble. Additional features include rhythm sync and fill-in, tempo adjustment, accompanying volume, and a master volume control. Belt out in song or discreetly practice on headphones, along with the option to record and playback for improved performance. Includes microphone with a 4-foot cord, audio input, output, and headphones. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.